Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you the zoom through eye effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. For suggestions on what you want us to do next a tutorial on, leave a comment down below. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag the footage to the timeline. Now pick a layer and make a snapshot of it. Then, find its location. Before we proceed, I want to thank Elements Envato for the best footages. As you can see, I got this one from there as well. Now let's go to Pixlr. Go to Pixlr E Advanced Photo Editor. Drag the snapshot to the website. Zoom it, to be more clear. Select Cutout, Draw Mask. You can also adjust the size of the brush. I will make it size 20. Also, I will raise the softness a little bit. That should be alright. Make sure to click in the middle of the eye. Now we go to Save, and save it as a PNG file. I'm going to rename it to Snapshot 2. Insert it to Filmora. Drag it down to the second layer. And drag the second footage below. Now adjust the duration of the snapshot to 0:20. Next, right-click, select Crop and Zoom, and go to Pan and Zoom. Click on the inner part of the video, and make it as small as possible. Make sure to place it in the middle of the eye. Now we want to make it more good. Crop the footage below the snapshot. We notice the other clip on the side. So, just increase the size of the snapshot. Click on the first part of the clip, go to Color, White Balance and make it darker. Now let's add the dissolve transition between these two parts. That's it for this video guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.